Now, Bihar has been in the news for all the wrong reasons recently after visuals of students openly using unfair means to pass their examinations. Our reporters went to three institutions, the MLT College, the Zilla School and ANS School Jail Colony in Saharsa, Bihar, and questioned the examiners who were evaluating papers for the intermediary examinations to discover the appalling state of affairs as far as their own knowledge is concerned. Many of them could not spell words properly. The mathematics teacher could not even spell maths properly. He could not tell us a number of questions, and imagine these are the people judging the future of this country. We have Rohit Singh joining us at this moment, and we'll try playing out excerpts from that particular investigation in just a short moment from now. But Rohit, absolutely shocking, isn't it? But this is not something which has happened for the first time. We have reported this in the past also. What is absolutely shocking is the fact that this keeps happening again and again.
Well, absolutely, Sanket. This has been going on in the state for not past several years, but past several decades. And the education system, as far as Bihar is concerned, is absolutely in shambles. Last two weeks back, we saw how in the matric examinations, there were people who were mass cheating going on, and there were the parents who were standing like Spider-Mans on that tall fourth-floor buildings, and they were helping their wards to cheat. And now it's the time of the teachers, because now the evaluation of those examination papers are going on, and these teachers who are evaluating these answer sheets, they do not even know. A maths teacher doesn't know the spelling of maths. A social science teacher doesn't know who is the prime minister of this country, who is the president of this country. This is the sorry state of affairs, and they are evaluating the future of these children, and that is absolutely a pathetic story that is coming from Bihar, and absolutely this is going on for past several years. And the college principal or the principals of those schools are saying that the evaluation is done by the best of brains of that institution. So absolutely sorry state of affairs.
Absolutely, Rohit. Absolutely sorry state of affairs. And what is even more shocking, as you rightly mentioned, is the fact that it is happening for decades, and there seems to be a chalta hai attitude that has seeped in. Let's quickly listen in to that small excerpt from what these teachers actually have to say when they were posed with absolutely basic questions.
शेक्सपियर का स्पेलिंग लगाइएगा।
शेक्सपियर SHAKSPER
ये नहीं जान सकते हैं क्या? नहीं जानना चाहते हैं आप लोग उसमें बताइए ना, आपको मैसेज हम डालेंगे। पाइथागोरस किस का विद्वान?
पाइथागोरस। पाइथागोरस कौन है?
और ये जो भी आए हुए हैं, जो भी हमारे परीक्षक आए हुए हैं बाहर से, सभी लोग जो बहुत विद्वान हैं, कोई जो प्रिंसिपल है अपने महाविद्यालय के, कोई हेड ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन है।